Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete search history on email app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download the email app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type email and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you log in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to delete search history on email app. From this home page, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture in there. Click on that. It takes you to this window where you have switch account, security and privacy. You have settings, email voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share email, and help and feedback. Now, for you to delete your search history, go ahead and click on settings. Clicking on settings takes you to this window where you have notifications, functions, storage and data, language, display mode, account and security, manage devices, and about. Go ahead and click on storage and data, and there you go. Now you have the load data mode, manage storage. You can manage storage from there, clear the cache, clear your chat history cache if you want to. And now you have auto save after receive, auto save after send for the upload quality, and you have your clear chat history. Now go ahead and click on clear chat history. It says this will permanently delete all of your chat history. Delete anyway. So go ahead and click on delete. And once you punch in the delete button, your chat history, including your search history, will be deleted on email. So head over to manage storage again and clear your email cache. So go ahead and click on clear the email cache and then clear your chat history cache, and you'll see that your chat history and your search history will be cleared. Of course, come over here and clear your chat history. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.